I'm making this quick video for all those people who are trying to make money online or thinking about trying to make money online. And the point is because I see a lot of people, they use the excuse, right, that why they're not making money online is, man, it's too many scams out there. Like the whole make money online thing is a scam. More people talk about scams than actually talk about strategies to actually try to make money online, right? So I want to be the person to let you know this is official, right? This is real, right? When it comes to making money online, there are way more legit opportunities out there than it is scams. All right. In fact, it's scams are very rare in this day and age, and I'm gonna tell you why. A scam, in my opinion, is something where they put up a website, right? And they're like, hey, for $20, I'm going to send you an ebook, right? And then they'll spend $20 and they don't hear nothing back. They don't get an ebook. They don't get even an email back. They just spent $20 and the person is gone, right? Or a scam is when somebody says they're going to get a service, right? They're going to get a membership, and it's supposed to teach them how to build an online business. But when they get inside the membership, there's nothing there. They log in and there's a whole bunch of empty pages, right? That's a scam. But here's what a scam is not. All right. A scam is not when, you try an opportunity, right? You try a money making method and it doesn't work for you, right? You don't make money with it. That doesn't mean it was a scam. That just means it didn't work for you. Or maybe you didn't do everything you needed to do to make money with that method, right? Or it just didn't happen. But that doesn't make it a scam. And I think a lot of people throw that word around and they use it as an excuse why they're not making money online. Because look, it's a lot easier to find a legit money making opportunity than it is a scam, right? It's like the reason why a lot of people fail when it comes to making money online, because they don't put in that true effort that it takes. And it's like no guarantee, right? When it comes to affiliate marketing or even starting your own online business, starting your own t-shirt brand, right? There's no guarantee. And a lot of people, I think, when they move over to the entrepreneurial world, or I want to make money online, I want to make money with affiliate marketing, I want to start my own drop shipping business. Don't you know, a lot of people be like, man, I ain't messing with affiliate marketing. I'm getting into drop shipping. That's legit. Do you know how many people out there who got drop shipping businesses who haven't made a dollar from drop shipping, right? For whatever reason, right? Maybe they're doing it wrong. Maybe they got the wrong product. Maybe they don't put in the effort, right? There's people who got 30 things listed on eBay right now who ain't sell nothing, right? Does that mean eBay is a scam? Does that mean that, affiliate marketing is a scam if somebody didn't, make a commission? Or is drop shipping a scam because the person didn't sell anything yet? Like, you need a whole different mindset when you come over to the whole make money online. I want to work when I want, financial freedom, work from the beach. All that stuff is fine and dandy, but you have to know what you're getting into. Just because something didn't work for you does not make it a scam, right? There's trash courses out there. There's trash opportunities, right? There's just opportunities that's just not for you. Or there's opportunities that, it can make money, but it's not for you, right? So that's what you have to keep in mind. But in this day and age, there is no reason why you can't make money online. It's about figuring out what you're into, what you're capable of doing, right? And then going hard with it. Go hard. Because think about it. All these people, if you look online, these successful gurus and business people, every last one of them will tell you, or in their videos or whatever, how much they grinded, right? They put up this amount of videos. They put up this many Instagram posts, this many TikToks, or whatever the case is. They all got this crazy work ethic And that's for all those who are making the 6 figures a year, 7 figures a year. So you got to ask yourself, do you have that mindset, right? Because entrepreneurial, there is no guarantee with this shit, right? Either you in it or you're not, right? So just know there's a lot of legit ways to make money online. It's beyond affiliate marketing, YouTube, Instagram, drop shipping, Kindle book writing. So guys, you know, if you're serious about making money online, by this point, you already know what's a scam. You already know, right? Look, pick the thing that really resonates with you and go hard with it. Push yourself and you will get results. Just remember, there are way more legit opportunities out there than scams.